Hi, it's Andrea Fowler. I'm an attorney here with Highland and Padilla. Today I'm answering a question on what is the value of my workers' compensation case. This question is honestly very difficult to answer. It's hard to tell until you get to the very end of your case, but what I want to go over with you before I tell you how we determine the value of your case is to just go over what you are actually entitled to get under the North Carolina Workers' Compensation Act. For instance, if you're in an auto accident, you have something everybody's heard of available to you as a damage. It's called pain and suffering. Well, in North Carolina, Workers' Compensation Act does not include any payment for pain and suffering. Um, However, what they do have is a payment for permanent injury. And that permanent injury rating is generally given to you by your treating doctor. Um, it's really important if you are unhappy or unsure about the permanent injury rating that you've received from the doctor workers' comp has sent you to contact an attorney, because there are other ways to get second opinions from different doctors that may be able to give you a more favorable opinion. And your payment on that impairment rating is based on how high it is. It is also based on how much you make per week. So both of those numbers you want to try to maximize and make sure they've got accurate so that we can determine what the value of your permanent injury rating payout should be. Now that is one way to settle a workers' compensation case, is with a permanent injury payout. It is done on what we call a Form 26A, and it actually will leave your medical treatment open for 2 years after the last date that the insurance company paid for your medical treatment. So you could continue to go back to the doctor after that. Now, there's a second way that some workers' compensation cases are settled, and that's what a lot of people refer to as a clincher or a compromise settlement agreement. That is where somebody takes their workers' compensation case and essentially the insurance company offers them a lump sum of money to close the entire case. There is no future medical treatment. All of that would be included in a settlement, and then it releases them from liability from the claim. Some people do opt for that option, and some people opt for the first option. There are a number of factors that go into which of those options makes more sense for any particular client. And the best way to really determine what option makes sense for you in your case is to contact Highland and Padilla or an attorney. We can be reached 24/7 at 919-863-4366, and we can set you up with a free consultation to go over the specific facts of your case.